ready to potentially magnify your Kucoin trades, but also understand the amplified risks involved. Let's dive into cross-margin trading. First, hover over to the Trade section on Kucoin's navigation bar, then click on Margin to access the margin trading interface. Now, make sure you are on cross-margin by ensuring that the toggle switch is set to cross-margin uses all available funds in your margin account as collateral, which differs from isolated margin. Next, you'll need to transfer funds from your main Kucoin account to your cross-margin account. Click the Transfer button and select the asset you want to transfer, like USDT or Bitcoin, and the amount. Confirm the transfer. To amplify your trading power, you can borrow funds. Click Borrow and choose the asset you want to borrow. Notice the displayed interest rate, as this is the fee you'll pay on the borrowed amount. Enter the amount to borrow and confirm. Now, select the trading pair you want to trade. Ensure it is available for cross-margin. Popular pairs include BTC, USDT, or ETH, USDT. Finally, place your buy or sell order. Make sure the margin toggle is activated. Carefully manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders to prevent liquidation, and consistently monitor your margin level to avoid liquidation, as this strategy is for experienced traders. Happy trading!